In this video, we're gonna do a bathroom remodel the cheapest yet most effective way. Again, I'll show a video here of what it used to look like. This is what it looks like now. You can kind of see the yellow, the red, maroon, weird colored stuff everywhere. This bathtub, really dirty, getting rusty and corrosion, old faucets. So yeah, this is all gonna need a makeover. Yeah, because once we get this bathroom done, we'll actually be able to put this house on the market and take really good pictures of it. And then we could do all the little ticky-tacky stuff later. So this is first, the vanities first. I'm gonna re-glaze all this tile, give it a shot, re-glaze the tub, put new faucets on there. And that's pretty much it. Texture the walls too, we're gonna frame the mirror. So there are a few things on here, but all of it seems very, very doable. The one kind of weird thing is this really old, I don't know, heater or whatever. I actually wanna take that out and kind of encase this in some kind of wooden cubby for extra storage, or maybe the new toilet paper holder. I mean, that's about all she wrote. Bought this lifetime supply of sandpaper, but this is aluminum oxide. It's supposed to be a little bit more abrasive. Now we're gonna go ahead and mix up the tub and tile Rust-Oleum refinishing kit. You're going to need a respirator mask. I have this one in the description below, got off of Amazon, as well as this tub and tile refinishing kit, got that off of Amazon too. We're gonna try it out. I'm gonna show you how to use it. We're gonna follow along with the directions exactly. So let's check it out. So hopefully y'all can hear me over this bathroom fan. It comes on when the light comes on, which is super annoying, but it's a rental property. I'm not living here. I converted mine to where it doesn't do that. But this is the bathroom remodel. Look what it's become. White glazed tile, newly painted trim, new hardware, new vanity. We got a new cubby there. It looks wonderful. Newly framed mirror. Really happy about this place. Thank you for watching the bathroom remodel in my very first investment property. Again, if you enjoyed this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this particular video. It really helps with the YouTube algorithms. Again, sorry about the fan. I'll try to cut that out a little bit in the audio post-edit. Thanks.